So I put a little bit of prime on it, but it's really smooth, really quite nice there, as you can see. I'm just going to do this bit today in this corner here. Also going to do this bit down here, put a bit in there. Got to put that in a bit more on that. So yeah, it sort of matches up. And then I'm going to come over to this bit and attack this bit. I'm going to replace all this bit here, cut all this out, make a new bit coming in here. That's quite solid actually, that bit there on the other side. So I'll probably just rebuild this section. I don't want to cut loads off, I'll have to, but yeah, we'll do that. Do that bit, and then we'll come along here, rebuild this bit in this bit. I'll probably do this bit first. Come along here, rebuild it into this bit, and then I'll leave that flat plated there, and then I'll make a little panel, bend a little panel, and then spot weld it all in that behind this bit. So yeah, so that's starting to take shape on this corner. So we'll carry on with this now, and let's go. So I've got that bit in, ready to tack in. So I'll get that all tacked in and welded up. And I've got this bit here to fit in. That goes in there like that. As you can see, they fit nicely in there. Look, got a nice curve, it's got all the shape to it. Yeah, it's good. So I'm going to just get these tacked in and welded up. Right, okay, I've got all this smoothed off here. Got that little bit in there I put in there, so that's all good. And this bit up here, smoothed all this off. All around there. Yeah, it's come out really well. It's got the shape there. Obviously I'm going to have to cut this bit out at some point. But yeah, it's good. So this side's done. So I'm going to move over to this side. I'm probably going to do here down to about there. And then I'll get the shape on this edge. But yeah, getting all this out now, getting all these spot welds out, and then I'll cut this out and just make the panel and get it in. Right, let's go. So, got all these little panels made up to put in there. So I'm gonna get all these tacked up and welded up, and then I'll probably come to here and get all this bit in here done. So it ain't too bad. Just got to get this bit around here, the shape of that. So, and then after that, I'll come over to this bit here and get this bit all done, and then across this bit. So yeah, we'll crack on this and let's go. all good, nice and smoothed off. Happy with that. And then with the next video we get all this done. Just had a little present turned up. So that's the end of the video, and I've got a little present. Look at that bad boy. Chassis leg for the near side. So well chuffed with that. It took 2 weeks to come. Got it for a bargain price. So I've been looking for quite a while. Just need another one now, and then we can start getting the front end all sorted. But thanks for coming back. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.